So this video playlist consists of my video explanations to 271 quant reasoning questions that are part of this new GMAT official guide. And these 271 questions are divided into three categories. You have the easy ones that are 1 to 100. And out of these, the new questions that are new to this specific guides are 88 to 100 exclusive. But note that even these new questions were part of the older official GMAT material. So it could be the practice test or other sources. So there's nothing new or earth-shaking about these new questions. Just think of them as practice. Then you have the medium category that falls from 101 to 176, and the new questions. And again, when I say new, that's relative to last year's, the 2023 official guide. And then finally, you have the hard category that goes from 177 to 271, and the new ones are 260 to 271. And each question, what you'll see in the official guide too, they have each question is given a unique 6-digit ID. So, for example, question 226 has this ID. Now, older official guides also used to have these codes, but they have changed this, meaning you could see an older official guide where that same question will correspond to a different ID. So you want to forget about that. And now the question is, where do these show up? They show up in the online version of this official guide. So when you buy the official guide, you will get this code inside that you have to scratch off, and that allows you to access the online version of these same questions. And in that online version, there are some additional questions too, other than the 271, and I'll talk about that in a separate video. But the key thing is that you will not have these numbers. So if you see my explanation for Q171, it's going to correspond to a certain code, which is what you would encounter when you're doing your practice using the online version. So just keep that in mind if you're exclusively going to use the online version, that you'll need to kind of know a table that shows you that link. And I will be publishing that table as well, so you can quickly see what the correspondence is. And then in summary, I recommend all my students to just exclusively use the GMAT official questions, and the GMAT official guide is a good place to start. So I would recommend anyone starting to stick to the material that's here. So that's the summary of this guide, and I will talk to you later.